Welcome this video. Wood lounge gate idea secured and style solved for your fans. A wood gate lounge is a functional and decorate composing of a bench or gardening lounge. Choose the right lounge. Security is of use and aesthetic appear. Whether you are design a rustic country get a wood enclosure or a stood far fence, there are various lounge style to serve your need. This explored different type of wood get lounge. Here and how to choose the best for your project. Type of wood gate lounge. Thumbnail lounge. A lounge is a classic and traditional style seen on gardening gate and brink door. It consists of a cell on one side with a level that lift and launch armic on the opposite side. Throwing easy one and opening traditional aesthetic appear. Would work well with medium to large gate. consist installing for smoothing on egg. Main need add security. This type of launch work by allow the launch arming to fall into place during its automatic security. The gate then choose its a use friendly choose safe launch simple to install and use. Double can be throwing open with promised unless security with a pick lock. Side both launch. A side both launch consists of a hormones both that side into a catch to keep the gate launch. It is a popular choice for gate that requested add security pro easy to install can be picklock launch for excellent security requested open to lock and unlock